Can you turn an idea into a wardrobe that moves the world?
The exciting fashion world awaits you.
Because fashion isn't just outfits anymore.
India's fashion ecosystem is growing at 10% annually.
Fast fashion alone is expected to grow to 40 billions by 2035.
There's space for creators who think fast and design bolder.
But first,
Get the JD Edge.
study the one-year diploma in fashion design
Build a foundation so strong,
that your style stays unforgettable.
the JD Edge transforms your vision.
Learn key principles from concept to garment execution.
Understand fabric science, pattern cutting, draping, and construction.
Explore trend forecasting, textile knowledge, styling, and visual merchandising.
Master digital tools, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and more.
By year's end,
I've been working with Mr. Manoviraj Khosla. I'm working as a creative head designer. JD Fashion Technology is a house of opportunities. It gave me exposure to a lot of fashion shows and exhibitions.
After finishing up my course, I got into Voy Jeans as a creative designer. Here I create new contents for the Voy Jeans. I create concepts for the upcoming collections for the spring, summer, autumn, winters.
Huge platform for all the upcoming designers, especially for the people who love fashion, who believe fashion is like God to them.
Being in JD gave a lot of opportunities. So not just about fashion, we also learned how to, communicate and contact people and from various industries.
Launch your own mini collection.
work as a fashion designer, stylist, or visual merchandiser.
Shape narratives that get noticed.
A world of career paths awaits.
Fashion buyer,
Fashion stylist,
visual merchandiser.
and more.
And there's no better place to start than JD.
For 38 plus years, we've sculpted creative futures.
Industry exposure that connects you to real work.
Mentors who push your ideas forward.
Latest software and AI tools that expand your reach.
What's more, debut at the iconic JD Design Awards,
Then get placement support and step onto your own runway of success.
just like our alumni.
Get the JD Edge.
Apply now.
Visit our site.
Talk to a counselor.
Visit your nearest JD campus.